There are many people that are vegan. Okay. If you are vegan for spiritual-based reasons, because you do not want to eat animals, I understand that and respect that, and you should continue to do that for you, okay? I was vegan myself for what I felt were health-based reasons, and it wasn't as healthy for my body. Now, spiritually, I don't want to overconsume. That's certainly true. We have to understand this, though. A vegan-based diet is most likely not the healthiest diet a human being can have. Okay. There are no longest lived people that were on strictly a vegan-based diet. Now, I'm not saying that you can't live a long, healthy life, because you absolutely can if you're doing it correctly. And I was doing it correctly as a vegan. But again, with my body type and my constitution in Ayurveda, they also say that probably not enough to keep you from becoming too catabolic. Now, let's say I was an endomorphic body type. Okay. Let's say I was the Kapha body type. A vegan diet is actually more suited for a Kapha body type because their body is anabolic. It's constantly building. It's actually making more. It's easier to put on mass. But if you are someone that is naturally let's say a little bit thinner, that is more ectomorphic, that's more Vata body type, thinner joints, all of those things, more catabolic, you lose weight instead of gain weight if you're not trying. Vegan-based diet is just going to be a little bit more challenging. Can you do it? Sure you can. But that doesn't mean that it's optimal for your body. Now, if you're doing it for spiritual reasons, keep doing it. We have many vegan-based clients, and we support them in that way.